So what about when you first add it to your oil change, right? You're doing the service. You know, gas car, right? Maybe I got 6 quarts capacity. I need, what is it for 6 quarts? You need 8 ounces?
Well, full clean out is 4 ounces per quart. That'd be 24.
Yeah. So, right, initial clean out. So do I just fill up my normal 6 quart capacity and add this on top?
We always want to stick with the manufacturer's recommended fill level. So, easiest way I always tell people, pour half your capacity in there of your oil, put your exact dosage of the Stiction Eliminator in there that you need, and then go back to your oil and top off to your fill line. I know there's some products on the market that are knockoffs of our product.
Right.
There's engine cleaners out there, and then there's straight up knockoffs, we'll just say. And there's a difference in those. Those actually say that you can put it on top of the oil.
Yeah.
That makes no sense at all.
I don't understand it.
I've really looked into this. The argument they try to make is that it gets absorbed and soaks into the metal, which is impossible. It does not happen. So you really don't want being a little bit high on your oils. Okay, depending on the vehicle, like it's not going to be that damaging to the vehicle. You might burn a little oil if you're too high. But if you go, there's a point at which you can start causing damage. Sure. There's a recommended oil level on your vehicle for a purpose, and that's where the manufacturer wants. Leave it there. The only time I would ever say that some people have found any type of gain from not being at the recommended oil level is the G56 transmission. Those guys tend to put extra oil in, but that's a problematic transmission, which we developed G56 Transflow that you don't have to do that with. But short of that really unique transmission, I want to be right where the manufacturer spec is. So always fill to the fill line on the vehicle. The amount of product you put in will displace oil.
Yep.
Which also saves you money too. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but
it does,
we always tell people that. It's like, if you're putting a quart of this in, that's a quart less of oil that you have to buy. So
exactly.
It's a little bit of payback on buying the product.
Well, have you used it?
Yeah, I used it. Every used car I've bought.
Well, that's the thing with the used car. You don't know what the hell happened before with previous owners, how they took care of it.
It's a great way to like clean the slate, start fresh.